Hello iPad letterers, it's so nice to see you. My name is Karen, I'm from iPad Lettering and I'm here to help you get the most out of your iPad, whether that is with lettering or art or journaling and planning. In today's Plan With Me video, we are going to create a digital bullet journal for the month of March. And the theme that I have chosen for this month's journal is abstract shapes. I've really been obsessed with these little abstract shapes lately, so this is what we are going to do. We're going to use the Zinnia app, which is what I have here. And before we start, I want to show you a brand new feature that Zinnia has. So we can tap on the stickers and you can see now how it's got this little icon here, which is called My Stuff. You can also see here there's a new feature which is called My Stuff. So we can click on that and you see I've already collected a whole range of different stickers and drawings and custom designs in the My Stuff section. So this is such a handy feature and I want to show you now how this works. We're going to start with a new page and we're going to use this opportunity to not only populate the My Stuff section but also to create a color scheme for the journal. So what we want to do first is go to the stickers and then place some of the organic textures on this page. So all I'm doing here is just placing them all on the page. And of course you can select any of the shapes that you want. I ended up just placing all of them on the page like this. And you can add as many of the stickers as you like, and then once you're happy with the selection of stickers, you can now go in and change the color. So you can tap on the color selector here and dial in any of the colors that you'd like. And I've decided to go for a pastel blue purple kind of theme. So now I'm just going to change all of the shapes and I'm going to change the color to that blue purpley theme. And so I've ended up with all these different shapes with this really nice color theme. And then you notice here at the bottom, I've also created color swatches. And the reason why I've done that is so that I can populate the colors of my pens. So I went in and I selected all of the pens that I like to use, which is the technical pen. And then I also like using the paint pen and the highlighter pen for most of my journals. And then using that color picker to choose any one of these colors for the selected color swatch. And once you've done that, it's time to add all of these shapes to My Stuff. And all you have to do is tap on a shape and then tap on Save, and then it will get added to My Stuff. So now it's time to create our planner. For the cover page, I have created this design here. And as you can see here, this is now just a selection of shapes that I already have in My Stuff. And then for the little calendar here, I have taken this from the 2021 yearly calendar. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So these are all the little calendars that I have created for the whole year. So I've taken the little March calendar and then saved it to My Stuff. And now we can use it in the journal. It's so cool. So now all you have to do is select your calendar and put it on the page, and you can see this is here now. So this is how I've added the little calendar. And then once you're happy with that cover page, you tap to save to photos and then you can use this as your cover page. The next page we are going to create is the monthly overview page, and it looks quite busy right now, but I'll show you how to create this and how easy it is to create this page. So we're going to start with a new page, and now it's really just a matter of assembling this page. So I'm going to select the monthly overview template first, and then I'm going to arrange it on the page. And then we can add some little embellishments as well. So you can just add some of those and move them around. And so creating this page is really fast. So now we're going to add a title as well. I'm going to use the paint pen for this, and I'm going to use the dark purple color. So now we're going to write March here. And then I thought it would be cute to draw little highlights here as well. So we can just draw them in. And then let's also create a background here. So I'm just going to use the light blue color to create this background like this. And then with the technical pen and the black color, let's write in March over the top in the extended script font like this. And then we can also write the dates here. And I've decided to alternate the colors between the darkest 3 colors that I have selected here. So I'm just alternating the color for each day of the week. And then you can see here I've also added this birthday party sticker here because it's my birthday on the 17th of March, and I have made it deliberately quite a lot bigger because I like to celebrate my birthday pretty much the whole month, and so I've put this little sticker here as well. But I've actually created another monthly page to plan my social media content. So I've got this month on YouTube, on Instagram and on Facebook. And for the title, I've used the exact same style that I've used for the previous page. And then here on the other side, I'm going to track the things that I'm studying, what I'm enjoying, and then also what I'm grateful for. And again, you can see this is super easy. The template that I've used for this is in the mood boards, and I have used this little template here, and then I went in and I added some little embellishments. And then next up is the weekly planning page. We've got the weekly page template, and we're going to select a font for this. So I'm going to tap, and then I'm going to write March. And the font I've selected for this is called Amatic SC, and this is what it looks like. And then you want to create another text field and tap anywhere, and then we're going to write 1. And this is the start of the month, starts with the 1st on the Monday. And then the font I have selected for this is called Den Alternate, so we're going to select this one now. And then we're going to place the number behind the text, and you can see that the number sort of covers the text now, but that's fine, that's not too bad. So you want to make this quite a bit bigger than the text and sort of cover the R. And then we are going to decrease the opacity of this so that you can only barely see the 1. And then we're going to trace the 1 with the technical pen, and you want to make this quite thin. And then choose the black color. And now you can trace the number like this. And then we can group this and place it in the middle of the page like this. And then I thought it would be nice to have a little banner here as well. So I have selected one of the banner dividers. And then you might want to match that color scheme for this as well. So we can just dial in a sort of a steel blue color for this. And then with the technical pen and the white color, I've written the numbers 1, 2 and 3 here. You could also decide to make a little highlight, just a very tiny highlight here if you wanted to. And then here for the task list, I've created little check boxes. I've just created these squares, and then I went in with the highlighter and created a highlight like this. And then with the technical pen and the white color, I've created a highlight here on the inside of the checkbox and then at the bottom as well, just to give it a little bit of extra dimension like this. And then for the numbers here for the days, I've actually selected a font again, and it's called Londrina Shadow. It's got this outline and it matches the font that we've used here, and it also matches the checkboxes, and so I thought this was really cute. And then just copied and pasted it and filled it in all the way down. And so this is what my weekly overview page looked like. You can see I've added some more little doodles here. I've created some doodles of some seals. I'm really obsessed with seals at the moment, and so I've added them here, and I think they look really cute. And there you have it. This is my bullet journal design for the month of March. We've got the cover page, we have got the monthly overview page for events and tasks, and then I've got a monthly overview page to also capture my social media activities, and then I've also got a weekly overview page. Now for the daily log, I'm actually just going to use a freeform page, but I thought I'm going to show you what I've done for February because I thought it worked really well, and I'm going to do the same thing again for March. And so this is super easy to do, and I actually prefer the free format and not using a template for this. And now over to you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then I'm also going to bloop up another couple of videos with new journal designs so you can get some more inspiration for your digital journals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.